fucking I'm on your side.
Ladies and gentlemen, round 4. I never even seen it.
Come on, Jake, do it.
No. The anticipation builds. Crowd silences.
Yeah, we had a picture of it. He used to beat himself up. He would like punch himself in the
That's what I'm saying. Fuck that handshake.
in his face. They had him stand up there on his picture. They were just like, punching. Just punching. Already! Oh my gosh.
Break him. It's good. It's good. You got him. You gotta say it. You gotta say it.
Come on. Oh, there you go. You gotta hold. You gotta hold. There you go, Jake. Now flip. Flip him. Flip him. Flip him. Oh, man, now his head's out. See, you were good if you had to still had his head in there.
Don't let him.
Oh, toss shit, man. You guys didn't get fucked up in time.
Jake, use your legs.
Toss him.
Jake, use your legs.
Once you actually grab my hip, you're fucking never coming up. Get it, Jake. Get it.
Come on, Jake.
Oh, man. You're getting your ass kicked by a little fucking weak bitch.
Don't let him.
Come on, Jake.
Fight through it, Jake. Fight through it.
Come on, you got overstrength. Use that overstrength.
There you go. Now roll him. Roll him. Roll him. Roll him.
Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, shit.
Oh,
That's
no.
deep, dude. That's deep on that position.
Hold him. Hold him.
His balls deep in your ass,
Hold him. Hold him,
dude.
Jake.
His balls deep.
It's all about power control.
Hold him, Jake. Hold him.
Yeah, choke him out. He likes that. He gets off on that shit.
Yeah, give him a reach around.
Oh, fuck, he's screwed now. Hey, wave to the camera, Myers.
Yes. Okay. Good one. Good one. Good one.